In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get and use coupons on Dhgate. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to online deals, maximizing your savings with coupons is always a smart strategy. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of those enticing Dhgate promotions. First up, we need to know where to find these deals. A good starting point is Dhgate's homepage. Here you can often spot banners advertising ongoing promotions. Make it a habit to check out the promotions section as well, where you can discover current and upcoming deals that may not be visible elsewhere. Next, if you've already got a Dhgate account, head over to the My Coupons section. This is where personalized savings can be found. Sometimes you might notice monthly codes available for you, but they need to be claimed in advance, so keep an eye out for those special deals that might need a few clicks before they come to full fruition. Another way to catch wind of new offers is by subscribing to Dhgate's newsletter. This is a treasure trove for exclusive codes and special deals, especially if you're a new user. The newsletter often serves up fresh opportunities directly to your inbox, making it one of the easiest ways to ensure you don't miss out on any savings. All right, now that we've got our coupons, it's time to use them. Start by adding the items you desire to your shopping cart. Once you're ready to move forward, look for the option to Get Coupon and proceed to checkout. If there's a coupon available specific to the items in your cart, it'll show up here. Now let's talk about applying the coupon. In your order summary, look for a field labeled Enter Coupon here or something similar. This is your destination for injecting those sweet savings into your purchase. Once you find that field, either paste your coupon code or select from the available options. Then hit the Apply button. If the coupon is valid, you'll see the discount applied to your total instantly. A satisfying moment indeed. Finally, after confirming the discount and ensuring everything is in order, it's time to complete the purchase. Click on Pay Now to finalize your order and enjoy the fruits of your savvy shopping skills. Just like that, you've successfully navigated the world of Dhgate coupons. By knowing where to find them and how to apply them during checkout, you're well on your way to ensuring you get the best possible deals. Remember, a little bit of preparation goes a long way in saving money. Happy shopping, and see you next time.